Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today I'll be making chicken tenders. I'm going to be making a seasoning up for the chicken tenders. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of celery salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, half a teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of mustard powder, this is English mustard powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Once we've got all this in, we'll give it a good mix up. That's our dry seasoning made. Into a bowl, I'm going to add 350 millilitres of buttermilk. Into the buttermilk, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of our seasoning mix. Through the buttermilk. This I'm going to add 500 grams of chicken tenders, or as we call them, chicken goujons. So we'll separate them and make sure they're all evenly covered. These in. Once we've got them all mixed in, I'm just going to put this into the fridge. Minimum of 3 hours, but overnight is best. Into a bowl, I've got 70 grams of Panko breadcrumbs. This, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of our seasoning mix. Mix in. Then we're going to take each piece of chicken in time and just coat it in our panko bread crumb. And repeat this process until we're all done. So to a skillet, I've added about a tablespoon of olive oil. And all I'm going to do is lay these chicken tenders out in this cast iron skillet. Don't want them touching. Just get get some air around them so they can get them crisp. Once I've done this, I'm just going to spray with some what we call fry light, which is just oil. And I'm going to pop these in my wood-fired oven. And after about 15 minutes, I'm going to take these out, I'm going to turn them, and I'm going to spray again. As you can see, I've just used a small little skillet to put the remaining 3 or 4 tenders in. Just going to put the spray again, come back in, do the other 3. Back in for another 15 minutes. So these chicken tenders are now cooked. While this has been doing, I've just had a ciabatta loaf on the grill just to char it. Now so I'm just going to make a simple sandwich. Spicy mayo on. Nice juicy tender chicken. There you have it, these are my chicken tenders. Nice moist chicken, a real nice flavour. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.